ByteVision YouTube channel. Quick walk through Apple generation units. The Apple I, also known as Apple I or Apple I, was Apple's first product, introduced in April 1976 by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne. Here are some key points about the Apple I. The Apple II, introduced in 1977, was a revolutionary personal computer that played a pivotal role in the microcomputer revolution. Here are some key points about the Apple II. The Apple Lisa, introduced in 1983, was a groundbreaking computer for its time, primarily because it was one of the first personal computers to feature a graphical user interface, GUI, and a mouse. The Macintosh, introduced on January 24, 1984, was a landmark product in the history of personal computing. Here's an overview of the original Macintosh. The Macintosh was announced with a now iconic Super Bowl advertisement directed by Ridley Scott, titled 1984. The 1989 Macintosh Portable was Apple's first attempt at creating a truly portable Macintosh computer. The Macintosh PowerBook 100, introduced in October 1991, was a groundbreaking product in the history of portable computing. The Newton MessagePad, introduced in 1993, was Apple's pioneering venture into the realm of personal digital assistants, PDAs. The Apple QuickTake series, introduced in 1994, represents one of Apple's early forays into consumer digital photography. In 1997, Apple marked its 20th anniversary with the release of the 20th Anniversary Macintosh, TAM, a unique and high-end personal computer that stood out for its design and features, though it was not a commercial success. The 1998 iMac in Bondi Blue was a landmark product for Apple, marking a significant turnaround for the company. The 1999 iBook, particularly in its blueberry and tangerine colors, along with the introduction of the Airport Base Station, marked another significant moment in Apple's evolution towards making computing more accessible, colorful, and mobile. The Power Mac G4, introduced in 1999 and evolving through 2000, was a significant milestone in Apple's desktop computing lineup. The 2001 iPod and the subsequent introduction of the iPod mini with its click wheel were pivotal moments in Apple's history, revolutionizing how music was consumed and setting the stage for the smartphone era. The period from 2007 to 2010 marked a transformative era for Apple, with the introduction of the iPhone, iPhone 3G, iPhone 4, and the iPad. Thank you for watching ByteVision YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.